What's going on YouTube? As you can see, your boy, not your average driver, back with another little video. And today, I'm just making a quick little video for you guys. Let's start them on up. Yeah guys, you might not be able to hear it. But yeah guys, just a quick little video. Nice little update. Pretty much video on, as you can see, no more front plate for your boy. I took that front plate clean off. As you can see, I see most people rock, you feel me, no front plate anyway. So I'm testing my luck on it. I do live in a 2-plate state. I do live in Maryland, so you are supposed to have a front plate on there. But I do notice, you feel me, most people don't have a front plate. At least most car guys, people with nice cars. So I'm gonna take my chances. It looks so much cleaner, especially just for pictures and everything. It just makes the car look a lot cleaner, you feel me? So yes sir. See how long I can last with no front plate. I'll keep you guys updated. I put a poll on my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, definitely follow my Instagram. Yeah, most people say they don't really get stopped for having no front plate. So, I mean, as you know, I already got the second car, so it's not necessarily my daily, so I won't be driving, every single day, but definitely be testing my luck. Definitely makes the car look a lot cleaner, especially for pictures and stuff. And also put the tinted back thing on the back of the license, too. I had it on the front, and now that I don't have a front plate, I put it on the back. And you can see from this angle, can't really see the license plate, which is pretty cool. I like the look of it. Kind of goes with the black car anyway. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much two things. I'm rocking no front plate and a smoked out cover for the back license plate. So more mods coming. I've been trying, get the bread right. I'm gonna definitely pop out, with some banger content. You already know how I get down. Nothing boring, no clickbait. You already see the bill. Definitely more coming. I'm definitely not done at all. But yeah, definitely more mods coming. What you guys think of the no plate? What you think? Should I put it back on? It's not worth it. Or you guys rocking no plate? Drop a like right now if you're not rocking a plate yourself. Comment down below if you think I should put the plate back on. It's not worth getting pulled over for, but I don't know. I just like the clean aesthetic of it, you feel me? What you guys think of the back cover, tinted cover? Cool. Anyways, guys, I don't think you guys really see the inside too much. I let you guys see the inside, But yeah, until next time, guys. Gone.